Hi preschool friends and preschool families. I'm going to do another video about how to help your child with math skills during the quarantine period. And it's real easy. You can use toys and things you have around the house. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is counting. So with preschool, we're just trying to get them to count from 1 to 10 and to recognize numerals 1 to 10. A lot of times parents get stressed that they need to know till 20. No, that's not till kindergarten. Now, if your child's more advanced and they want to go to 20 and beyond, that's fine. But in preschool, we're just focusing on 1 to 10. So a lot of times in parent-teacher conferences or maybe on report cards, you'll see the term one-to-one correspondence. And one-to-one correspondence is when they're counting, they know that this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. And that they can count sequentially and accurately. So when they're counting, make sure you have, these are just little calico critters that my daughter has for toys. You could use any kind of toys, Legos, action figures, whatever. And have them use their pointer finger. And because a lot of times kids will just want to do this, have them touch and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This helps reinforce the one-to-one correspondence, and make sure that they go at a slower pace, because a lot of times kids will want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just touch and say, and I always tell the kids, I always say, make sure your finger matches up with your voice, because if your finger goes too fast or your voice goes too fast, you're not going to get the right answer. And we use 10 frames, which is, it's just a little board with 10 little squares to help them understand the concept of what 5 is and then what 10 is. It helps with skip counting in the future. But I know you don't have a 10 frame, but you probably have an empty egg carton. So you could use the empty egg carton and have them pick up each figurine and put it in the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, going past 10, 11, 12. I should have cut this into 10. But yeah, you could cut off the one end and make it a 10 frame. And this helps with the one-to-one correspondence as well. And then if you want to get more advanced, this is a hard task for children to do, is for you to say, I want you to make 5, and having a big pile, and they have to make 5, because what children tend to do is they'll start counting correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they keep on going. They forget to stop at the number that you wanted. So practice this over and over again, giving them a big pile of objects and saying, make me 8, make me 5, show me 2. And that'll help reinforce the one-to-one correspondence. As far as numeral identification goes, if you don't have flashcards at home, you could always use playing cards, right? I got these at Tuesday Morning. That's another one of my favorite stores. Obviously, they don't have the number 1 card, so I took the Joker card and just took a piece of paper and made my own number 1 card. And you could use these as flashcards, just drilling them. What number is this? 2. Or what I like to do is make a number line from 1 to 10. And I'll take a figurine and I'll put it on a number. And I'll say, what number is the panda on? Oh, she's on 3. What number comes before 3? 2. What number comes after 3? 4. Or I'll say, and this helps with early addition and subtraction concepts, I'll say, put the panda on 5. Now make the panda move 3 spaces. And they have to hop it. 1, 2, 3. What number did you land on? Oh, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Or you could say, put the panda on 10. Now make her jump backwards 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where'd she land? 5. So 10, take away 5 is 5. And now we're going to get into patterns. Patterns is an important skill for preschool. And what I've done is I love these little erasers that you could get at the Dollar Tree, at Target. A lot of times I go to Party City, Party Favor stores have them. And these are great counters. They're real engaging for the kids. They have them for every kind of holiday and theme. These are Easter ones that I picked up at Target. And what you want to focus on is, this is called an A-B pattern. So you can take, even if you have Legos around the house, take some red Legos and some green Legos, and the bird is A, the egg is B, and you want them to recreate the pattern. And you can even start it for them and go, bluebird, egg, bluebird, egg. What would come next? And give them the rest and see if they can finish it. And then the next progression is A, A, B, B. So it would go bluebird, bluebird, egg, egg. Bluebird, bluebird, egg, egg. Now you finish it. And they have to finish the pattern. And then going up another level, you add another part of the pattern. This is an ABC pattern. So it would go bluebird, egg, chick. Bluebird, egg, chick. And they would have to finish it. Now this is a nice visual prompt. If they get more advanced, you can just give them the pile and say, I want you to make me a pattern. That you don't give them the rule. You say, make up your own pattern. I want to see what you can do. All right, so that's our math lesson for today. Have a great morning. Bye.